guys, quickly, I'm just going to show you how to make a card turn into another card, basically. Really simple. Let's get two cards, don't really matter which ones obviously. I've got the Nine of Hearts and the Queen of Clubs. It's got two pieces of sellotape here, as you can see. It's going to get one of them. Flip it over, make it double-sided. Obviously if you've got double-sided tape then use it, so obviously that would be better. I'm just going to stick it onto the top of this card. Then I'm going to get the other piece, sellotape, fold it over, and do exactly the same on the bottom. Now I've got a sticky backed card. Stick the two cards together, making sure they're together. And there we go, we've now got a double-sided card. Pretty simple, all you do, really easy. To hold it, all I do is I have my second finger and my thumb at either side of it, and my first finger in the middle, and all that does is it pushes it out. First finger just loses grip, and you just catch it with these two fingers. Very simple. You don't have to, if you do it like that, then you also notice it's better to do some sort of hand movement as well, so like, or you could get some sort of pencil or something. I don't have a pencil in you. Get a coin. It's a really cool trick, really effective, and takes seconds to prepare. And obviously when you're done, you just unpeel them and back to normal. So thanks for watching. See you.